Creativity has no boundaries, so why should your machine? Whether you're making a large quilt, garment, or you're working on a bulky project, the Baby Lock Jazz 2 comes with everything a quilter would want, plus the unique features you need on a utility stitch machine. With an expansive 12 inches to the right of the needle, programmable needle position for easy maneuverability, 6 LED lights that illuminate the needle and work area, and a blazing fast 1,000 stitches per minute, you'll be finished faster than you thought. The Baby Lock Jazz 2 gives you room to improvise, and your projects get the space they deserve. So what are you waiting for? Make a project that sings with the Baby Lock Jazz 2.
This is the Get Started video for the Singer M2100 sewing machine. In this video, we'll begin with a quick overview of the machine and its main parts. Then we'll show you how to wind and insert the bobbin and how to thread the top of the machine. This will be followed by selecting stitches, sewing a buttonhole, changing presser feet, and changing needles. So now let's get started. Before we get started sewing, let's take a quick look at some of the main parts of your machine. We're going to first plug it in over here on the side, and then press this switch to turn the machine on. Up at the top, you have two different spool pins. You can use either one. This is where you put your thread spool. This is a thread guide. This is the bobbin winding spindle and the bobbin winding stopper, and we'll talk more about those when we get ready to wind the bobbin. Over here is your hand wheel, and you always turn this toward you. The hand wheel is used to manually move the needle up and down. This is your reverse lever, the stitch selector dial, used to pick the stitch you want to sew, the thread tension dial, your carry handle, the bobbin winding tension disc, another thread guide, the thread take-up lever, here's a thread cutter, and in here you'll find your presser foot lifter, used to raise and lower the presser foot. It actually has another setting, extra high, if you want to sew thicker layers. This is your presser foot and presser foot holder. Here is your removable storage compartment, and you simply slide it to the left to take it off the end of the machine if you want to sew hems and cuffs. The removable storage compartment has a door in the back that you can open and then store the accessories that came with your machine.